Hello everyone. Um, I should probably start off by addressing the buggy mic. I didn't have another mic. This is the only mic I have, and I figured adding it would be better than having nothing. I apologize if it is distracting. So for this assignment, we were supposed to do an HTML page. I took a class on this when I was in 6th grade. I chose Oreos as a topic, as kind of just, a throwaway topic. We were supposed to add a heading, which I do not have, god damn it. Hello everyone. I should probably start out by pointing out that my webcam, the only one I have, is bugging out. I will try to stay still so it isn't distracting, but that's probably going to be impossible. So for this assignment, we were supposed to create a HTML document using just some coding language. I've actually done a class that taught me a little bit about it in 6th grade. So the first thing we were supposed to do was check that out actually. First thing in order was that's cool. That's cool. Um, an image. Yeah, I have that. It's a little green text meme from 4chan. Um, I'll show the coding for that. I know I should do that right now. One moment. It's lagging. It's lagging. Okay, there. That's fine. Yeah, take as long as you need. Take as long. You know what? Okay, I'll just do this. I can't move my mouse there, but if you look at like the line under H1, the P tag, what it does is it separates things. And then I have an image source tag, which basically allows me to put in an image. And what I did is I copied down the location of where I have the image stored, and it's in a folder. It's in there's a folder on my desktop called Schools, and within that folder there is a folder called Oreos, and then within that folder there is a file that is in the format of JPEG, which is titled Finna. So that's that. The second thing we were supposed to do was add a link, and clicking on this link here will allow you to buy Oreos online on Amazon, I suppose. And then the way I did that was, if you look at the very bottom, the third line from the bottom, href, which allowed me to add a link, and then the A before href was activating I put in text, which if you click the text, it brings you to where the link is, and then there's an off tag for that A tag, I guess. So there's that, and then I have a heading right here, which if you go back to here, it's the H1. It's titled when you're. It's kind of just a lot of gibberish when your mom doesn't buy Oreos. And then this is a two, according to Google, this is 2 paragraphs worth of stuff written by me, 200 something words. A little bit about that camera is really distracting. I apologize. Yeah, a little bit about Oreos, why they are pretty great. It's a bit of a throwaway topic. I think I covered all the points. Thank you. Goodbye.